29 out of 10. 29 out of 10. Hey boo hey, congratulations on waking up this morning, you guys. This morning I woke up and I was like, I want something fall. Like I want breakfast food, but make it fall, like real fallish. But I didn't want pumpkin. Nothing really pumpkin. I'm not that huge of a pumpkin person, but I do like cinnamon apple things. So I was like, I want that. And it was like as if TikTok heard my thoughts. Because when I got on that app, do you know what I saw? Cinnamon roll, apple cinnamon rolls. Cinnamon rolls. I saw this one video and it was so simple. It barely requires anything to do. So I was like, oof, that's it. TikTok, they be in your head. They're always in your head. When you think they're not, they are. So that's what we're gonna do today. Today we're gonna be making cinnamon apple rolls. I think that's how it is. But I'm super excited. So let's go to the store and go get the things that we need. So we need cinnamon rolls, obviously, from Pillsbury cinnamon rolls. We need apple fillings. We need brown sugar. We need cinnamon, ground cinnamon. And then what was the last thing? Let me go back to the video. I'll try to show y'all what I saw because it was so good. And it's kind of like a cobbler kind of thing, so you have to like put it in a baking pan. I'm going to put it in the air fryer because my air fryer can do everything because it's an air fryer. But it's like an air fryer oven, so we're gonna throw that in the air fryer. I'm so excited for it, y'all. Like, it looks so good. Let me see if I can find the video that this one, y'all, look at that. Look at that. Yeah, we need that. That's what we need. We need that. And it only takes like 3 items. Okay, maybe like 5, but still not that many items. So I'm super excited. I can't wait to make it. So let's go to the store. I'll see y'all. I don't know if I'm gonna go to Kroger, if I'm gonna go Walmart. Let me Google and see which one has cheaper items.
A few moments later.
I'm trying to find an electric can opener and I see everything but what I'm looking for. They have all the can openers but not electric one. So I think I'm gonna have to go to Marshall's to get one, because I need to get one at some point because I'm gonna need a can opener. It's just simply what that is. But I don't see any electric ones, which is so annoying. But I got everything else, so we're done there. But I'll see you guys when I get to the house. I got the Pillsbury, the cinnamon bun, cinnamon roll one that comes with 5 in the pack. I got condensed milk just in case there's not enough icing drizzle. I can be able to like drizzle this on top. Cinnamon sugar, ground cinnamon, vanilla extract, and then lastly the apple pie fillings. So I'm about to do this. I forgot how to open this. Okay, hold on. Okay. That scared me so bad. Okay, so now, ooh, let me unravel it. Better. Okay, so it's supposed to make 5 of them. So I'm gonna pull it apart. Now that I have them all pulled apart, I can go ahead and cut them. So let me show y'all how I do that. Put that, open the apple filling up. I'm trying not to break my nail. Put this to the side. Go ahead and pour in the vanilla extract into here. I'm not measuring anything. I'm literally just shaking and going as we go. This is the cinnamon sugar. And then regular ground sugar. I'm gonna stir it up. Make sure it's all nice and coated. Part of me wants to like cut up these apples because these are such big pieces. I'm gonna take a piece and see if it's sweet enough. Okay. I'm gonna coat my baking pan with my cooking spray and then place these in here. I'm gonna add the apple pieces in here. I'm gonna mix it all together. I'm gonna mix it all up so that everything gets coated. I already started my air fryer, so it was already preheated. This is what it looked like now. I'm so excited. Alright y'all, this is what it looks like. It's a little bit burnt at the top because I like raised the temperature, but it still like feels soft. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and drizzle on gonna drizzle on some of this condensed milk. And now I warmed up the cream. Ooh, it looks so good. I'm so excited. All right, let's scoop into it. Ooh. Oh yeah. Let's get a piece. Let's try it. Oh my goodness. $29 out of 10. 29 out of 10. They're so good. Babes. Babes. This is muy delicioso. Y'all need to make this. Y'all need to make that. It's so easy. It doesn't take that long. I mean, the baking part does, but I don't even care, because this right here, good as hell. I'm in love. This was so good. I'm gonna see y'all later. Thank you for watching. If you make this, comment down below how it turned out for you. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.